So, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay yung malaman mo yung formula ng distance, speed, at time. Dapat hindi mo to malimutan kasi napaka-importante nito. Napaka-useful nito sa pag-solve ng mga problem natin. Okay. So, para mas madali nyo maintindihan or ma-memorize, dapat ganito lang yun. Okay? Dito yung D, tsaka S and T. Ito yung DST triangle. So, pag magsusolve ka ng distance yung hahanapin mo, speed times time lang. Okay? Pag magsusolve ka naman ng speed, distance divided by time lang. Magsusolve ka ng time, distance divided by speed. Okay. Distance, speed times time. Speed, distance divided by time. Time, distance divided by speed. Ganun lang kadali.